Hi everyone, this is Bboy Bugy from Hip Hop Fundamentals, and today we're going to learn the back step. So, this is the top rock step, right? That means that we're going to do it while standing. Okay, so even though it's called the back step, I'm not really stepping back while I'm doing this specific step, but I'm gonna step a little bit on the side, right? It's a little bit on the side, even though it's a back step. I'm stepping back, but on the side. So that means that someone who's watching me, who's facing me, is gonna see the whole step. That doesn't mean that this step cannot be done on the back, right? Stepping back, it can be, and it is done like that. But the way we're going to learn it today is going to be the step back that we're going a little bit on the side. So this is how we're going to start. I'm going to start with the left leg, one. With the right leg, I'm going to step back, two. Three, I'm coming back. 4, back. So as you can see, it's the same step in both ways. It's 1, right, 2, left. 1, right, 2, left. So we're gonna go one more time over it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. One thing that a lot of people don't do is this. A lot of people are using their leg, they're stepping back, but their hips are staying in the same place. So this is one tip that I'm going to give you that it's going to make your step look better. So when I'm stepping back, I'm actually having a hip twist, right? So it's not just step, it's actually stepping back and twisting a bit with your hips. Okay, so if you're familiar with any of the Hispanic dances, you know that they have a lot of hip movement, and that's very, very important because this part of the body is the middle of the body. So if I'm placing my body like this, it's gonna give my body a different shape. If I'm gonna place it like this, again. So every step that I'm doing, including the back step, with the hip twist, it's making it more complete. It gives it more style. If you already know the cross step, you'll notice that the back step, it's actually the opposite of the cross step, right? The cross step is in the front, on the side. The back step, it's in the back, on the side. Of course, there are small differences, but I think that's a good way to view it. So we know so far that the back step is pretty easy. It can go on a 2 count, and it can easily be combined with the cross step. The last tip that I'm going to give you about the back step, it's how to use your hands. And that's pretty easy too. You can use your hands however you want, as long as you're on the beat, and as long as it makes sense with the actual back step, right? The usual way that I'm using it is just throwing my hands in the front, opening up like a traditional b-boy step, or just do rolls. Pop, up, down, pop, pop, right? You can use it however you want. Even though the back step is pretty easy and it can get boring if you do it a lot of times, you can make it a little bit more interesting. So for example, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So I'm actually repeating the back step on the same side. Or another variation of it is gonna go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? So you can add rotation to it. So we have repetition, we have rotation, and of course you can add as many elements as you want depending on your level of creativity, depending on the way you get inspired by other dancers, and so on. So you can actually do the back step and stepping down, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or whatever you feel like doing. So there you go. That was the top rock round where I did only the back step and variations of it, right? So if you do the regular back step, it may get boring, but the idea is to get creative with it, right? The back step, it's the basic step of a lot of variations. Skill methods used to say that foundation is the key to creativity, and this is a foundational step, and this is the way I get creative with it, and this is an example to help you get creative with it. Thank you very much. This is Bboy Bugy from Hip Hop Fundamentals. Peace out.